We're gonna look at a paint job before and after, basically. So this is a typical inexpensive paint job where it has a ton of orange peel on it. See all that texture that's in the paint. It's very blurry. You cannot see the ceiling. It's got a lot of bumps in it, as in dirt in the paint. These kind of little defects all over the place. All right. Now you can see the difference here in where it's dull, a lot of orange peel, and it gets clear. So you see the skylight on the ceiling now, and then you come over here and it's just a blurry mess. So shiny, and this is just the first step, which is sanding it smoother and then cutting and buffing. So you see how blurry that is right here. It's just, and again, a lot of defects, and you see the little dings. There's a little ding in there, not done very well. A lot of swirls and scratches in the paint. And then over here, you can see how shiny it is, how it's a reflection. It's like a mirror over here. It's very shiny. And then over here, it's just blurry mess. Again, also, you can see the extension cord and all the outlet on the wall right there. There's the cord hanging down and some cords in reflection. Come over here. Let me see if I can do this right. Oh, can't quite do it, darn it. So you can see, well, I'll try to show something over there. It's these light fixtures that are in here. And again, you can see it's just blurry all the way down. And in here, it's just crisp. This hasn't not been polished the last two steps. So this needs to be cut and buffed. Then we have a bad issue with the door. We've got dings here. Some started bodywork that got started and quite finished. Here we have some defects here, here. Very noticeable. And it extends down into this area. You see like a ding right here. Bump in the paint. Something in the trunk slid over and hit it, or who knows what. And then again, these creases right here. So basically this car needs some paint work to get it up to snuff. And here they're restoring the engine compartment completely. Repainting all the pieces, the engine blocks, valve covers, the air cleaner. This is the radiator support right here. This right here, repainting the radiator. All the pulleys, brackets, these fender liners here are all getting repainted. This side of the car is pretty decent shape. doesn't have the same kind of defects all over the place. It hasn't been beat up, so it's looking a lot better. I'm gonna try to find the air cleaner for the car. Oh, valve cover's getting repainted. So those look really nice now. Where's the air cleaner for the Cadillac?
On that part.
Sorry. All right, so there we go. So to refinish this, it's got some dust on it right now, but you can see now it's all new again. Looks great. A couple of dusty things on it, but it's looking really nice. So that goes on top of the carburetor, right in the center of the engine compartment, and that'll look really nice right there. The interior fabric is just about on its way out, but it's not worth redoing. We might recommend spray dyeing the seats so we don't have all this visual cracking. It'll make it look even. We do have a split seam right here that we might be able to repair. There's a small hole here in the seat. Over here some wear and tear, but this is probably not worth redoing. Dash is in pretty decent shape. The carpet is coming back to life. You can see that one clean spot right here. We have a steamer that gets rid of that horrible brown, dirty looking look in here. This has got a ton of soiling though. This is full of dirt, and the carpet nap is pretty worn down. It's getting furry. From, I'm not sure what was dragging there, a foot obviously. But that has some promise in here. The top is in good shape. We're gonna be able to wet sand this and polish this out. Same thing with the hood, it's in decent shape, so we're gonna be able to keep this paint here. But again, it has that blurry, heavy orange peel texture to the paint job that we'll get rid of when we do the polishing. Again, here it is when it's looking shiny. Nice and glossy. Compared to this dull stuff up here, you can see the transition. Here's the line basically. Clear image right here. And then when it comes over here, it's dull. Chrome's in okay shape. We have some minor pitting that we'll be able to get rid of all of this dirty stuff in here, and all down in here. There are some issues with the chrome, something that hit it right here, but that's not probably worth fixing. It should look like this side over here with this nice corner, but that should come out really good. These lenses are going to look great when we're done. That's the tour. Sorry it took a while, but I would like to make sure you know what we're doing. Thank you for watching. And here's the showroom, by the way. And the shop is this area all in the back, which I think you can make out. This is all shop back here. These are all cars that are getting restored. This one, it just got finished. This one just came back from paint. You can see the holes in the bodywork for the moldings that go back there, missing the lights. This one just came back from paint, Rolls-Royce. This was owned by Carol Burnett, so it's a pretty interesting car. Thanks for watching.